Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Stepping Stone Kits is probably one of the most engaging ways to spark your child's creativity and love for the outdoors. These kits offer a fantastic blend of art and science, allowing kids to design and create their own unique stepping stones. From colorful mosaics to personalized designs, these kits provide a hands-on experience that's both fun and educational, turning ordinary backyard paths into vibrant, personalized walkways. Number 5. Creative Roots Butterfly, Ladybug and Sun Stepping Stone. Get ready for some fun. This kit lets you paint your own ladybug, butterfly, and sun stepping stones. It's a great way to express yourself and add some color to your space. No need for messy molding. The kit includes 3 pre-made ceramic stepping stones, each measuring 4.25 inches. All you need to do is paint them and let your imagination run wild. The kit comes with 10 vibrant acrylic paints. You can mix and match the colors to create unique designs. It's a fantastic way to learn about color mixing and create beautiful artwork. Once you're done, you can display your creations anywhere. Place them on a shelf, in an indoor plant, or in your garden. Remember to apply an exterior varnish to protect them from the weather. Looking for a great gift? This kit is perfect for craft lovers, gardening enthusiasts, or anyone who loves ladybugs and butterflies. It's a fun and creative activity that anyone can enjoy. The set includes everything you need: 3 ceramic garden stones, 2 paint strips with various colors, a paintbrush, and easy-to-follow instructions. It has everything you need to get started right away. What we like? This kit offers 3 adorable stepping stone designs: a ladybug, a butterfly, and a sun. It comes with a variety of vibrant paints, allowing you to create unique and colorful designs. If you're looking for a fun and creative gift for a craft lover or someone who enjoys gardening, this is a great choice. What people say. My grandchildren loved painting these on a rainy day. The kit was high quality and provided a variety of paint colors. This is an awesome project for your little one. Comes with paint, paintbrush, and the stepping stone. My son, 5 years old, absolutely loved painting the stepping stone then placing it into our rock garden. The durability of the turtle is great. It's quite thick. And the size of the stepping stone is fairly good. Number 4. Creative Roots Butterfly Stepping Stone Kit. This kit lets you paint your own butterfly stepping stone. It's a fun and easy way to create a unique piece of art. The kit includes a 7 by 7 inch ceramic stepping stone, ready for your artistic touch. There's no messy molding, just pure painting fun. With 6 vibrant acrylic paints, you can design your own color patterns. Mix and match to create beautiful hues and accents on the mosaic butterfly. Once finished, display it on a shelf, in a plant, or in your garden. Remember to apply an exterior varnish to protect it from the weather. This kit is a great gift for craft lovers, gardeners, or anyone who loves butterflies. It's a fun and creative activity for ages 8 and up. The set includes a ceramic butterfly stepping stone, 6 acrylic paints, a paintbrush, and easy-to-follow instructions. It has everything you need to get started. What we like? This kit features a beautiful butterfly stepping stone, ready for your artistic touch. It includes vibrant paints, making it easy to create a stunning piece. If you like butterfly, this is a great choice to add a touch of nature to your garden or home. What people say. My grandchildren loved painting these on a rainy day. The kit was high quality and provided a variety of paint colors. This is an awesome project for your little one. Comes with paint, paintbrush, and the stepping stone. My son, 5 years old, absolutely loved painting the stepping stone then placing it into our rock garden. If you're trying to find an arts and craft project for your little one, definitely try this out. The durability of the turtle is great. It's quite thick. And the size of the stepping stone is fairly good. Number 3. Made by Me Stepping Stones Kit. This kit lets you create 4 unique stepping stones. You can preserve precious memories with a 3D mold and customize them with your own designs. The kit includes vibrant ceramic paints and gemstones. You can design unique color patterns and discover the art of color mixing to create beautiful stepping stones. These stepping stones are for display only. You can put them on a shelf, in an indoor plant, or in an outdoor garden. Just apply an exterior varnish to protect them. Painting is a great activity for strengthening hand-eye coordination. It encourages creative expression and teaches patience while having screen-free fun. The kit includes plaster mix, a molding tray, a mixing stick, gloves, a mask, a paintbrush, ceramic paint, gems, tiles, a sticker sheet, and easy-to-follow directions. The kit includes less mess gloves, a play mat, and 3D molding tray. It's a great activity for kids ages 5 and up. What we like. This kit allows you to create 4 personalized stepping stones, perfect for preserving memories. It includes ceramic paints and gemstones to add extra flair. If you are looking for a fun activity that also helps improve fine motor skills, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It comes with everything you need to make 4 personalized 7-inch stepping stones, including molds, ceramic paints, tiles, and assorted gems. The paints are vibrant and adhere well to the tiles, and the gems add a really cute, sparkly touch. These were so easy to mix and pour into the molds. After a few hours drying out in the hot sun, the stones came out perfect. Number 2. Midwest Products StoneCraft 8-inch Mosaic Stepping Stone Kit. With this kit, you can easily create a beautiful mosaic stepping stone. It's simple to use, just add water and let your creativity flow. The process is straightforward and fun for all ages. It comes with everything you need to get started, making it a perfect craft project. The kit includes an 8-inch square mold, stepping stone mix, colorful rocks, glass gems, glitter, a mixing paddle, and a writing tool. Everything is included. Simply mix the provided materials with water according to the instructions. This will create the base for your stepping stone. Use the included gems, rocks, and glitter to create your unique design. Let your imagination run wild and make it your own. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions to guide you through each step. You'll have a beautiful stepping stone in no time. What we like. This kit makes it easy to create a beautiful mosaic stepping stone. It includes everything you need, just add water. If you are looking for a simple and complete kit to create a unique stepping stone, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to follow instructions and fun for him. It came with everything I needed, stone mix, mold, colorful mosaic pieces, and even glitter. The instructions were easy to follow, and it was so satisfying to create a piece I could actually use in the garden. Number 1. Dan&Darci Unicorn Stepping Stones Painting Kit. This kit lets you create your own stepping stones. It comes with 5 unique designs, ready for your artistic touch. Everything you need is included. The kit has 7 vibrant paint colors and 2 brushes, perfect for details and larger areas. You won't need anything else. These stepping stones feel just like real stone. They're paint-ready and blend seamlessly into any setting. Enjoy some relaxing me time or share the experience with friends and family. It's perfect for individual creativity or group fun. The non-toxic paints ensure a safe crafting experience for all ages. Whether it's a family craft day or a painting party, it guarantees creative enjoyment. Looking for a great gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays or holidays. It fosters creativity and helps create lasting memories. What we like. This kit offers 5 unique stepping stone designs, including a unicorn and emoji. It comes with everything you need, including non-toxic paints and brushes. If you are looking for a fun and safe craft for kids of all ages, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Easy to use, able to do one at a time. Each stone has its own paint and paint brushes. It came with a paint set and brushes for each rock. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.